Okay, hello everybody. My name is Indra Mahadevi. My student registration number is 19120211065. So today I want to give comment on writing instructional design. The first thing I want to comment is at the introduction section. So here we introduce not introduce the activity, but you introduce the concept of looping. So you must to fix it because in the introduction section you have to introduce the activity instead of the concept. And then the second command is on the learner level. So I think you can put the specific grade for it. For example, 9 grade students or 11 grade students, so it can be more specific. Then um, at the preparation time, I think you need more time because you you here put such a period of time of preparation. You know that preparation time is time for teachers to prepare themselves before they begin to implement, to teach their students. I mean. So at the procedure activity, I think after I read the procedure activity, I think uh, 10 minutes is not enough time for the preparation because the first time that you have to prepare the lesson plan, and then you also have to consider uh, what kind of material that you want to give for students, what kind of media or technical requirements. So yes, I think you need um, 90 minutes for the preparation time, so you have more time or more relaxed in preparing yourself before you teach your students. And then in the technical requirements and resources, you have to add material about narrative text because in procedure activity, you ask students to make a narrative text. So make sure uh, what is the sources of narrative text that is going to use. And then the next one is optimize the use of Google Classroom. It is because um, in the first your activity area that you just use Google Classroom as a media to collect response assignment. Because Google Classroom is a learning management system that provides some feature for you. So I think you also can do discussion with your students, or maybe students do discussion about something. Because I also read that mostly students uh, don't do discussion before they during the class, so it's good to provide discussion section in the classroom. So here, uh, um, so here is the classroom as well as the learning and management system. So here you can optimize the use of Google Classroom as a learning management system. And then the next step, the suggestion I want to give is add the procedure activities. So I have suggest you many times in your instructional design to implement the learning in your procedure activities. So I hope that you implement what I did right now because um, it's really important to implement the learning in the online learning activity. So it means that you have to prepare the material before you teach your students. So for example, in the sport activity, that students assess and learn the looking technique material from the link that the teacher has given and then read within 15 minutes. So I think this kind of activity is a big good when some students exactly at the time when you teach students to read the material, because maybe there are some students who has trouble. Maybe there are some students who have trouble connection, so they will not have enough time to read the material. Uh, and then you also hear just ask your students to make a narrative text, but you don't explain about the narrative text itself. So I think you have to explain about what is narrative text before the class begins. So that's all. And then at the option education section, um, you put your previous situation, three options on situation. The first is narrative text, which consists 130 words. The teacher should make sure the students are joined in Google Meet and fill out the list. And the teacher should remind the students to politely respect the journal. So this kind of option or situation must be put on the first teacher. This is not at the option and suggestion section. It's because here at the option and suggestion section, you have to put something that a teacher can add or discuss at the procedure activity. For example, in the procedure activity, you put that um, teacher used Google Meet as media uh, to implement virtual learning. So um, virtual meeting learning, meeting to the meeting with the students. So within education years, the teacher also can use some application to do online learning activity. And then, example, you also upload the first activity that you go that you use words of application to the information. And then in the option and suggestion here, you can put the suggestion that or option that a teacher can also use Telegram or Line as a tool to do information with the students. And then at the justification section, I think you have to add more references, because here you just put one references, which is there. According to Novietri 2020, in her article states that improving students' writing skill through written strategy. I think you can also put a reference about what is the meaning of living strategy, so it can make your instructional design become more fairly or reliable. And then at the references and future section, I think you have to fix it too, because you don't reference um, in the right way, so you have to fix it by using FA7 reference. Okay, just that all my comment on your writing instructional design. I hope it can help you. That's all, and thank you.